Hi all, today I'm going to discuss about how to install a missing package in Colab. So this is very straightforward. So first thing is that we need to access Google Colab, and to access it I'm going to use Google Chrome. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to click on this Google Chrome and then I will type Google Colab and click on the link. So normally it takes some time to open the interface. So this is the one which says if you want to open any previous file or not. If you don't want and we want to create a new file, then we can simply cancel it. We can go into the file, new notebook, and once you have new notebook open, the next thing comes in to ensure that whether package is installed or not. The easiest way to check whether a package is available or not, what we can do, we can write a command called import. Okay, now import, and I want to check whether a package is installed or not. So for example, I want to check whether Pygame package is available or not. So what I will do, I will simply type import Pygame and run this. As soon as you will execute, it will set up environment, and very soon you will able to see the output. Here you can track what are the steps it's doing. So it was connecting, then initializing, it's connected, now everything decided, and here you can see it says module not found error, no module name Pygame. So how to fix this error? To fix this error, what I need to do, I need to execute a command, and to execute install command I can click on this code, and here I can type pip install Pygame and execute this. You will able to see Pygame installation is going on, and it says successfully installed Pygame 2.0.1. As soon it has been installed successfully, now we can come back to our program and execute it again and see if Pygame is available or not at this moment. So now you see, so it says Pygame 2.0.1 and hello from Pygame community. So this is the easiest way to install any particular package which is missing. Thank you all for joining this session. Most probably we will see you in next one, and I will come up with some very unique ideas and easy concepts, and also I will create more videos to for you guys so that you can learn very easily. Thank you and bye.